We officially have Honey the camper on the property. So let's go out and take a look and see what she looks like. I want to go inside so bad. I haven't been inside in a while, and I don't think Cooper's ever been inside. He's like frantically trying to get his boots on. He's so excited to see this camper. He's so excited. Cooper loves campers, so he gets like so excited. Wow.
Mommy?
What do you think? What do you think of this? Oh, it's so cool in here, isn't it? What do you think? Oh, he already has a knob. Where did that come from? All right, the camper looks pretty good. It does look like there's maybe some, oh, we got a little bit of wallpaper, but that's okay. A little bit of water damage you can see right here, but I think it was coming in from the windows or something. But right there too. Okay, we'll fix it, not a big deal. This wallpaper held up so well. I think it was from Target. It's never peeled or fallen. So major shout out to Target wallpaper. But I love this camper so much. I just forget how cute and cozy it is. I'll have to get more. Oh, there's bees. Honey, no, no, no. No, no, no. Bees. Since there's bees in here, and not these bees, I think it's time for us to get out. I'm thinking I may need to add some flower boxes to these windows. How adorable would that look? I feel like it would just tie everything together and make Honey look so much better. But anyway, as you guys saw, we just moved Honey onto the land. The night before, we moved Betsy on, which will be our future house. It was such a beautiful evening. There was the most gorgeous sunset. It was my first time seeing a sunset on the land, and it was so magical. We have Connor and Cooper working over here, and here is the beautiful camper. Let's take a look inside and see what we have going on. So you come in and immediately you are met with this beautiful, oh, I don't know who that is. It is just so pretty. I cannot wait to stay here. But we have a lot of work to do because it is quite a disaster in here. We put the slide out a couple days ago when we got in, but then like we were trying to distract the kids, so we were taking out all these toys, and there's just stuff all over the place. But the campers held up pretty good throughout the winter months. The only thing is the wallpaper. The easy thing to do is just to take some Super 77 glue and just pop that back up. I know you guys have so many questions about us moving onto the land and moving into the camper and when it's all happening. So I'm going to talk about that a little bit later on in the video. But first, let's set everything up. And yes, this is Wild body wash, but I'm using it as hand soap because it smells so good. Speaking of Wild, I'm so excited because I've partnered with them for today's video. This is their deodorant. They make products that can be refilled in these aluminum cases. That way they're not ending up in landfills. They are cruelty-free, paraben-free, and aluminum-free. It's so hard finding a good aluminum-free deodorant, and I finally found one that actually works because the other ones I was using were not working. It was bad. She sent one over for Connor too, and Connor's very skeptical. And so he started using it and he is amazed. Like, he just keeps talking about it and I'm shocked. It's been years of me trying to get him to use an aluminum-free deodorant. They have so many cute containers, so many adorable scents. They have an Alice in Wonderland one out right now, and there's so many different scents to it, and it's probably my favorite. Connor actually just put one of those in his deodorant because he said it smelled so good. It feels so creamy. You can feel like the shea butter when you're putting it on. They gave me a coupon code for you guys, which is our little nest, for 20% off. I'll leave all of the info of them below. So cute. You can see Cooper in there with Connor. So adorable. Did get a new oven. I got this on sale for like $200. We refinished this in the big camper video, but the door does not shut, and we thought we'd be able to fix it. And to be honest, I was getting a little icked out because there were ice nests in here and stuff, and I cleaned it so well, and I was like, I can look past it. And then I was like, you know what, for 200 bucks, let's just get a new one. So we're gonna have to put this in. I think I'll do like another video on like camper upgrades, because we're gonna put this in. And then if you guys have any ideas, let me know. Here's what the bedroom looks like. This bedding area is not going to work because there's nowhere for Cooper to sleep in the camper. So I think what we're gonna do, or if you guys have any other ideas, there's like this platform here that the bed sits on, and there's storage under it. I think we're gonna take the platform out, and then I'm gonna have to redo the floor up here. Let me widen this, there we go. But essentially, I think we're gonna take the bed and put it over here so that it's coming this way, and then maybe even take out the nightstand and make this little section over here like Cooper's bed. I just don't know what else to do because I don't know how else we could fit a bed in here for him. He still sleeps in a crib, so I don't know how that's also going to work. Originally, I thought this could come out and we could put like his bed right here, but this will not come out because it's like all electrical stuff, which I didn't realize. So yeah, I'm very confused on where to put Cooper to sleep, and I don't want to have to like take this apart every single night for him to go to bed. I just need something easy. So yeah, let me know if you have any thoughts. We have this little mini camper for Cooper. A friend got it for him for his birthday. It is so cute. It's from Magnolia, Hearth and Hand. He's having so much fun in here. Oh my gosh. He is just the cutest. Put these down for the camper slide because it actually ripped the floor. Oh, thank you. Thanks, baby. Can you hand me that one too? So these have been a lifesaver, but unfortunately the floor is a little ripped over here. So for now, we're just gonna put a carpet over it. I can eventually try to fix it though. This Super 77 glue, and I'm just gonna spray. Hi, baby. You doing that? Let's get into all the details about us moving. So you guys know we have Honey, and you guys have asked about Honey for so many years. We still have her, as you saw. She will just stay on the land, maybe as like an office space, a play space for Cooper. We are not living in her though. She's way too small. So we're gonna be living in this camper, Betsy. So we will be moving in here full time while we build our house. However, we are waiting for the well, septic, and electric to be put on the land. So Connor is currently in the process of doing that. We will definitely film all of that for you guys. And once we have those things in place, then we can move on to the land. We sold our house a couple months ago. We are living with my dad currently, and we are just really excited to get into the camper. Last week, you guys saw we went to Pennsylvania. We are not living in Pennsylvania, but we went to Pennsylvania to go visit the Amish because they are going to be sourcing all of the lumber for our house. We're making a beautiful timber frame house with the Amish, and basically they're going to send us all the wood as a kit, and then we are going to build it. So definitely catch up on the last week's video if you haven't seen it. It was so cool. I saw these couple things at Walmart, and I thought they would be really cute to have in the camper. These little cups I thought would be perfect for coffee. They were only $2.28. And then thought these were fun too. I just like to have like fun paper goods, especially for in here. Let's go see if we can find some flowers. Looks like perfect timing. Cooper and Connor are back. We got Cooper back. Little messy boy. He's gonna get into everything. Yeah, he sees a snack.